Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show how to use the Chroma effect in the VN application on a mobile device. I am using an Android phone to showcase how it needs to be done. Do you know Chroma effect is also known by many other names such as green screen effect, Chroma Keying, Chroma effect and many more which I don't even know about. Now, in order to begin with, we will require a video or an image that is shot on a green color background. It is not necessary that it has to be green in color. You can also use a black or white color background. That will also work. And secondly, we will require an image or a video which will act as the background for the image or the video that was shot on the green color background. Now I'm going to open the VN application on my mobile phone, and once the application is open, I'm going to click on the plus symbol at the bottom. When I will click on the plus symbol, I can create a new project. So here I am selecting new project, and to create the project I am going to pick the image my little panda which is on a green background. And once the panda is selected, at the bottom you won't see any chroma key option. There isn't any option, but do not worry, it will be coming shortly. So first I have to move this image, or if it is a video you can move it upwards by clicking on this forward button. It will go to the upward layer, and now I have to add the image or the video which will act as the background for my panda image. So here I'm clicking on it and I'm going to click on replace button to find the image. So here I'm picking a snowflake which is going to act as the background for my panda image. Now, so again here you won't see the chroma key. So what's the catch? Click on the first layer and then you will see suddenly the chroma key is appearing. See, it's gone and now it's back. I'm going to click on the chroma key, and here I have to do little adjustment. See here on the nose of the panda there is a circle. I have to click on it and move it around. So I'm just going to move it around, and now the background is gone. And on this screen there are certain other adjustments that can be done. So you can change the intensity, you can adjust the spill. For me, this particular image, this is not applicable, but you may have different kind of video or image on which you require to adjust these two parameters. Now I'm done. I'm going to click on the white check mark, and here on this screen I can resize the panda, the image, or if you have a video you can also resize the video. And I'm going to place it where it looks good to me. Alright, so this is done, and here at the bottom you will see there is a black window. I'm just going to remove it, we do not require it. And here this is the end result. The panda is there and the background is changed. Now I'm going to save this particular project. Alright, the project is saved, and here in the thumbnail, or you can say preview, you will see the panda which is showing in green color. Please do not worry about it. The changes you have made, it has already been saved. I think the VN team has to work on it. They have to improve this, although I'll be sharing my feedback and experience with them so that they can change it, and the changes that we have made should reflect in the preview. And just to ensure that it has been done, I'm going to click on this project once again, and here you see it's done. It's done. And now you can also export it. So here on the top right corner there is an export button. Click on it and do these settings, like you can check the resolution, FPS and other parameters, and you can export it. So I'm not really going to talk much about the export part, it's just the chroma effect which I have shown, and this is how easily you can do it on your mobile device. That is all I have got today for you. Thank you.